All right, so our next item in our chart is vegetable oil. And so you can see that it's kind of yellowish in color. I've put a little bit in my first vial here that I am going to test for, I'm going to use the iodine to test for starch. Remember, iodine is kind of a gold color. I put it in here. If there was starch in our vegetable oil, it would turn a dark purple, dark blue color right away. This is still gold. So there is no starch in our vegetable oil. Okay, we're gonna get a little more vegetable oil, put it into our next vial. Benedict solution, which tests for glucose or sugar, however you know, I want you guys to start learning that glucose and sugar, same thing, okay? And so I'm gonna cap this. And Benedict starts out blue. We'll shake it. I have to put it in here to heat it to see if it's gonna change color, if there's sugar in our oil. And while we're waiting for that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the next vial set up, okay? And we have our burette solution, which is testing for protein, and it's a blue color, okay? And if there is protein in here, it's gonna turn that light violet purple, like what we saw when we tested the albumin, okay? However, if it stays kind of clear to blue, then there is no protein. So there's no protein in our vegetable oil. Okay, and our last test is for fats. And that is going to have the Sudan in it. Put a couple drops in this. And what's going to happen is if it changes its red color, and this is the hard one to tell, the other ones were kind of a dull maroon. This becomes a much more brighter, vibrant red is what I would call it. And so, you know, we'll take a comparison to our other ones here in a little bit, and you'll be able to see that it definitely has a different color to it. So let me pull out our vegetable oil out of our
That
hot water
indicates
bath.
there's protein in it, correct?
No, this is fat.
I'm sorry.
Protein is
Fat.
the burette.
Yep.
Okay, and our, it's hot, our oil is still blue, coming out of the hot water bath, so there is no glucose in here.